Hey Optimus, what are you doing there?
Just chilling, ready to help.
Tesla just dropped the hottest robotics news of the year. A brand new gold-colored Optimus prototype has been revealed, and this time it's rocking a built-in AI assistant, Grok. The world just got its first glimpse of what could soon become the world's most famous humanoid robot, and the potential here is massive. The latest Optimus update hit social media last night when Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff, yes, that Mark Benioff, got an exclusive tour with none other than Elon Musk. Benioff couldn't resist sharing a video on X showing off Tesla's next-gen Optimus tossing out answers and taking its first slightly awkward, undeniably robotic steps. This wasn't just a glitzy hardware reveal. For the first time, Optimus was not only walking but actually holding a conversation, powered by xAI's Grok. Mark Benioff, giddy on the video, asked questions directly to the robot. The result? Optimus answered, showing that Tesla has fully integrated real-time AI into a humanoid platform for the first time.
Hey Optimus, what are you doing there?
Just chilling, ready to help.
Hey Optimus, do you know where I can get a Coke?
Sorry, I don't have real-time info, but I can take you to the kitchen if you want to check for a Coke there.
Oh yeah,
Let
that'd
me
be
know where you
great.
should go.
Yes, let's do that.
We're officially watching the dawn of Musk's physical agent force revolution, as Benioff called it. First impressions? The new Optimus looks slick in its fresh gold color, standing out against the white and black prototypes we've seen before. It's a totally new look for the bot, and will probably become an iconic visual as the machine gets closer to being deployed in the real world. But let's get to the details that really matter, the hands. This version of Optimus has some of the most lifelike and detailed hands seen yet on a humanoid robot. While some viewers notice the hands appear more like mannequin demos than fully functional grippers, the detail level is clearly several steps beyond what Tesla showed off even a few months ago. Tesla has been promising a hand redesign for a while, targeting human-style movement and dexterity, threading needles, playing piano, or moving fragile objects, tasks real human hands nail every day. Elon Musk explained it best. Next-generation Optimus hand, which we have in prototype form, has actuators that have moved to the forearm just like humans, and they operate the fingers through cables, just like human hands. That means stronger, more compact movement, and potentially the sort of multi-fingered finesse that's been missing from most previous humanoid robots. What's the big deal about hands? In robotics, hands are the bottleneck for labor automation. If Optimus can pick up tools, cook, clean, build components, or even just carry out routine factory tasks, the market goes from experimental tech to world-changing. That's why every major robotics program is obsessed with hand and finger design right now. But as with all bleeding-edge projects, there's still a lot that's uncertain. Watching the video, the gold Optimus doesn't move quite like a finished production robot. The walk is stiff, and those beautiful hands might be closer to showpiece than finished hardware for now. But that's to be expected. Tesla is still at the prototype stage, and Musk is famous for showing off next-generation tech while it's still on the drawing board. What's most impressive is the integration of Grok. Instead of just moving, Optimus can now process, understand, and answer spoken questions. It's the start of a future where robots won't just perform set sequences but will be guided by interactive conversational AI. That's a leap toward real collaborative robots, cobots that can share workspaces and take on more meaningful or complicated work than ever before. Tesla and Musk have big plans here. Not only does Optimus represent a new face for consumer and industrial robots, but Musk is betting huge on the technology's market impact. He's repeatedly said Optimus will soon account for a huge part of Tesla's valuation, maybe as much as 80% in the future. Forget cars, Musk thinks humanoid robots are where billions, maybe even trillions of dollars in future tech value truly lie. If Tesla nails this, the implications are huge. Imagine companies deploying Optimus to handle repetitive, dangerous, or boring jobs, packing, assembly, lifting, sorting, and more. Retail, logistics, construction, any industry that needs automatic, reliable hands. If the AI can adapt and learn new jobs with just a voice command, every business suddenly has a tireless new worker that never gets bored, sick, or tired. That's the vision of a true agent force, robots as teammates, not just tools. Let's not forget about the cost. Benioff mentioned a projected price $200,000 per $500,000 per bot. That's higher than buying a high-end car. But for big companies or even wealthy individuals, the productivity payoff could be enormous. If a robot can save a company the salaries of several employees every year, that price could be recouped fast, especially as volume and competition drive down costs. But make no mistake, there are still huge questions Tesla needs to answer. Will the hands be durable and as dexterous as promised? Will Grok respond as reliably in factories as in demos? Can Tesla get these robots out of showrooms and into real warehouses or offices? These first steps, both literal and metaphorical, are important, but the next year or two will show if Musk's biggest bet really pays off. Right now, what's clear is that Optimus 2.0 isn't just a robot, it's a bold swing at the future of work, productivity, and the whole idea of human-machine partnership. It's a PR win, but it's also a sign that human-like robots powered by AI brains are closer to reality than ever before. If you want to see for yourself, check out the links in the description for the latest prototype video and more details. What do you think of Tesla's humanoid robot and this AI-driven future? Is this the beginning of a workplace revolution or another tech hype story? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breaking AI innovation and tech news. Thanks for watching.